what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be looking at the Limbsaver here, snap-on recoil pad for the 6-position adjustable tactical stocks. So it's supposed to reduce felt recoil by up to 60%. You're saying, well, why are you putting this on a AR or similar style rifle with an adjustable stock? They're typically a very lightweight in terms of recoiling, or minimal felt recoil, gun. Well, for this particular one that I have here in my hands, this is actually attached, this lower is attached to my 450 Bushmaster upper. And so that's actually what I wanted to show you. So here is a 5.56 or 223 round, right? Looks pretty small. That's what, normally would be shot out of this. This is what I'm actually shooting, 450 Bushmaster. So you can see the difference. It definitely has a lot more grain. There's also, in terms of powder inside of the actual casing itself, but more importantly, it's got a much heavier grain bullet. So push-pull reaction on the gun, when something comes out of there, you're definitely gonna get that felt recoil coming back on you. While it's not terrible in terms of being able to shoot the gun, it is troublesome if you're trying to shoot for longer periods of time. So hence why I'd like it to be a little bit more comfortable. Obviously you can't reduce all the recoil, at least in this particular instance. I've already tried putting on a compensator and it helps a little bit, but I think this would be another addition that I definitely want to try out. And at some point I will update on one of my videos with some shooting, kind of looking at the Limbsaver and seeing if it really did make a difference. So I am curious. And again, just to kind of show you a comparison, so the two different styles between the 450 and then a standard 223 5.56. So again, that being the main reason why I'm putting this on. So it should be pretty quick and easy installation. Just gonna snap this guy out of the box, and then supposedly it just snaps on. So you can see here there's two lips. It says to snap one on, one end on, and then ideally start towards the bottom. So I'm trying to get that lip in there. Boy, this is tight. I'm just wondering if you need to use some sort of punch to get it on. I mean, it is definitely a tight fit, no question about it. All right, so I actually ended up going the opposite direction, so I took it completely off. And then I found that using a simple handy dandy tool, probably one of the most expensive ones you'll ever find, a butter knife here, to actually help me wedge this thing on, because it is a tight fit. And I actually kind of questioned that in the beginning. But looking at this, it doesn't look half bad at all. It definitely feels much more gelatin-like. Looks like it's going to absorb a lot of that recoil, which I definitely look forward to shooting this, and giving you guys some feedback once I get some range time behind it, and then just kind of giving you a report and seeing if this thing really does the job as they claim it's supposed to. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for future content. Be the first to know about it. Thanks.